Hello YouTube, this is Chinap's Art, and in this video I am going to show you how to create custom brushes to use for your artwork in Adobe Illustrator, and I will teach you also how to save them and reapply them anytime you want within 5 seconds without the need to create them again. And you should also understand that this tutorial applies to everyone using Adobe Illustrator, either you use a mouse for your artworks or you use a graphics tablet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the tutorial.